today's demo program. First round is single digit 5 rows with abacus. Ready, children?
Children, one small information. After you finish doing the sums in the abacus, when you write the answer, write it big. Okay? Don't write it very small, write it big. Right?
Ready? Start. 8, add 2, 7, 3, 5. That is? Show it to the crowd.
Answer is 25. Can I have a big clap, please? All are 25. Excellent. Keep it up, guys. Excellent. Very good.
Okay, one more sum for you all. Ready? Add 1, 4, 9, 6, 3. That is?
Answer is bigger. Thank you.
8, add 5, 1, 9, 3. That is?
$26.
Now they are going to do single digit 10 rows using abacus. Ready, children? Add 1, 3, 7, 8, 2, 6, 4, 5, 9, 4. That is?
Answer.
49. Correct answer.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, ready? 6, 9, 2, 7, 4, 8, 5, 1, 5, 3. That is? Show the answer to the crowd.
Answer is 50. Excellent.
Ready? 4. All of you are ready? I'll repeat the sum. 4, add 6, less 1, less 5, add 9, 2, 3, 7, less 8, add 6. That is?
Yes, show the answer. Answer is 23. Thank you very much. Excellent. Excellent, children.
Digit 10 rows with abacus. Ready? 63, 42, 70, 39, 81, 18, 93, 60, 24, 57. That is?
Write the answer. Show. You're right. Why you want to take time? 547 is the answer. They are right. Louder clap, please. They need more encouragement. Yes, you're right. You're right. Be confident and show the answers, please.
Are you ready? 51, 30, 74, less 63, 86, 20, 58, 47, less 90, less 12. That is?
Write it bigger. Answer is, you're right, show. Answer is 201. Thank you very much.
Okay, ready? 36, 59, 91, 20, 68, 42, 37, 85, 18, 70. That is answer is 526. Are you all ready? Yes? Start. 259, 493, 361, 708, 529. That is
2350. 2350. Okay.
ready? 703, 258, 914, 639, 412. That is
2926. It is correct. It is correct.
okay, ready? 975, 461, 109, 834, 576. That is 2955 is the correct answer.
Next we have here two small children studying in second standard. They are going to do 4-digit 5 rows using the big abacus. 4-digit 5 rows. So now sir is going to pick up a sum for us.
Five, 6, 7, 1, 7, 0, 3, 5.
You have the answer here, sir. So we'll make them do it. We'll see whether they are right. Okay? So I want them to write the answer on the slate and show it to us. Okay? Please keep a slate next to them. Children, don't get tensed. Please do it. I'll read the sum slowly. Okay? Don't get tense. Can we all please encourage them with a big clap, please? Thank you. Your encouragement is going to make them do well. Ready? I'm going to call the sums. Start. 6,124. Okay? 9,047. 2,493. Okay. 5,671. 7,035. Write the answer, please. Don't make them show. Sir, நீங்க இந்த ஆன்சர் எழுதிறீங்களா சார் போர்டில்? Can I have a marker? Yeah. Okay, you written the answer? Okay. Answer is 30370. Sir has put it on the board. Can I have the answers, please? 30370. Thank you very much. Excellent, children. Keep it up. Next, we are moving on to mental sums. You know, in UCMAS, The first initial 9 months, we give them training using the abacus. They'll be doing the sums with abacus. From the 10th month onwards, they'll be starting to do sums mentally. Meaning, they'll be visualizing the beads on the abacus mentally and moving the beads in their mind and giving the answers. So now you are going to see children who are going to do the sums mentally. I request you all to watch their fingers. They're going to move the fingers and do the calculation and get the answer. We'll see how fast they're able to do it, how correct they're able to do it. Ready? Ready, children? Start. 1, 3, 7, 8, 2. That is. Show the answer, please. Answer is 21. Were they good? Yes? Yes. Start. 6, 4, 5, 9, 4. That is. Answer is, show the answer. Show the answer first. Answer is 28. Ready, children? Again, single digit 5 rows, right? Ready? Start. 8, 2, 7, 3, 5. That is. Show the answer first. Fast. Answer is 25. Answer is 25. Talagile kaamkira. Tiruppu. Ayyo. Correct. Okay. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Ready? Start. 6, 4, 8, 2, 7. That is. Write the answer and show fast. Answer is 27. Thank you. 20. Next we are moving on to single digit 10 rows. Single digit 10 rows. Ready, children? Ready? Start. 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 5, 9, 6, 3, 2. That is. Write the answer and show the answer first. Answer is 50. Very good. Louder clap, please. Answer is 50. Correct. Very good. Keep it up. Thank you. You can leave. Next, double digit 5 rows mentally. Are you all ready? Yes? Can I see a big smile? Okay. Ready, all of you. Start. 63, 42, 70, 39, 81. That is. Answer is 295. Double digit 5 rows mentally. நீங்களும் நானும் கூட இவ்வளவு ஃபாஸ்டா செய்ய மாட்டோங்க. The children are able to do it so fast. Start. 36, 59, 91, 20, 68, 42, 37, 85, 18, 70. That is. I'm sorry. I read out double 10, no? I'm sorry, double 5. I'll read again. I'm very sorry. Redo it. Ready? Start. 36, 59, 91, 20, 68. That is. Answer is 274. 274 is.
Okay, ready, children? 26, 82, 40, 17, 93. That is, answer is 258. The next round is double digit 10 rows mentally. Are you all ready? Start. 35, 89, 53, 90, 17, 64, 10, 28, 77, 42. That is,
Write the answer, write the answer. Answer is 505. 505. 505.
are you ready? 61, 70, 25, 53, 36, 98, 14, 27, 40, 89. That is,
Answer is 513. நல்லா தூக்கி காமிங்கம்மா. நல்லா தூக்கி காமிங்க. நல்லா. Okay. Answer is 513. ரெண்டு கையிலும் புடி. Okay. Parents, now we have finished all the main part of the demonstration in abacus and mental sums. Now we are moving on to bigger sums. So from now on, we request you all to clap for them. We want encouragement. Now they want to do double digit 20 rows mentally. 20 numbers being read spontaneously and they're going to come up with the answer. We request you all to encourage them nicely, please. Once more. Louder. Thank you. Ready, children? All encouraged? Okay, ready.
ready? Start. 63, 42, 70, 39, 81, 18, 93, 60, 24, 57, 42, 70, 15, 59, 38, 65, 91, 27, 40, 86. That is 1080.
1080 is correct. 1080. Can I have a bigger clap, please? All of you raise your answers. Okay, excellent. Very good. Keep praising. Okay. Thank you. So I guess we have excellent, what do I say? Judges. So now we are going to do double digit 50 rows. So I want you to select the sum, ma'am. So each row has got 20. So 2.5 rows. Together.
Not together only.
Together.
It's like this. It will be 20, and 110.
And 110. So you have answers of this, and இது மூணு நீங்க ஆட் பண்ணணும். சரிங்களா? கால்குலேட் வச்சுக்கோங்க.
Page number 9. Ma'am, page number 9. Sum number 109, 110, 112 till B.
So we're going to do only additions. So 109 full 20, 110 full 20, and 112 first 10 sums, first 10 numbers, which is A and B.
Please skip 111.
Please, yeah, that is with minus, so we're not doing that. Okay? Ready?
76, 80, 59, 31, 74, 13, 65, 98, 20, 42, 75, 81, 38, 90, 26, 64, 72, 19, 50, 43, 41, 57, 80, 32, 68, 45, 20, 76, 99, 13, 92, 41, 70, 53, 94, 28, 67, 80, 16, 35, 94, 68, 53, 16, 95, 41, 30, 27, 80, 72. That is?
Write the answers, please. Don't show the answers. Don't show the answers. Can I have the answer, ma'am? Wait, don't show the answers. Okay. Can I have the answer, ma'am?
The answer is 2799. 2799.
2,799. Please raise it and show, please. All of you. 2799. Excellent, children. Keep it up. Double digit 50 rows. I think they deserve a bigger clap, please. All of you. 2799 is correct. Thank you. Thank you, children. Thank you very much. Keep it up. So now I request our mega demonstrators, Vijay, Dwarak, and Vignesh to come on stage, please. Can we all have a big clap for them? Ready, one. Okay. So I have got 20 numbers from the judges. So these children are going to do the calculations. We just watch how they're doing it. Ready, children? Okay, I'm going to give a double into single. Okay. Which standard are you studying in?
Third.
He's studying in third standard. So we will time him. We will see how fast he's able to do it. So I got the timer here. In case if you have the time, you can just check how long he takes. Ready, children? Ready, ma? On your mark, get set, start. Right, bigger. Okay, 15 seconds. Good. 15 seconds, he's able to do 5 sums. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's okay. Rub it. Next, we are moving on to double digit into double digit. So fill the blanks, ma'am. Careful. அவங்க எழுதுற நம்பர் இது. நீங்க என்னதான் மாத்த. நீ கூட அவங்க என்ன நம்பர்னா அதே நம்பர். ஆமா. அவங்க எழுதுறாங்க அதே நம்பர். Okay. Ready? Now, Jivan. So this is like a competition. We will see who is fastest. On your mark. Don't run away. Get set. Start. Excellent, Shravan. 25 seconds. You can still improve now, Jivan. No problem. All the very best. I'm sure you guys are better than others. Thank you. All are correct? Very good. He's not finished it yet. 1512 is correct. 1674. 1935. Okay, that's wrong. 3136 is correct. Okay, he missed on that. He got tensed. Okay, can we remove the next chart? Can we have the next chart, please? Okay, now we're going to do triple digit into double digit. Only two. Who's doing triple and double? Triple and double, yaar pandra? Vignesh, va. Triple and double, niyo, yaro. Only two. Adutha Kumaran, va. Okay. This is 415. You thought it's 45, huh? Okay. That's 42 seconds. Triple digit to double digit. Can we all have a bigger clap, please? Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, next we are going to do division. We have this. Hello everybody. 5 digits divided by triple digits. Easy or difficult? Okay. Now we'll request them to select 5 from this.
UC Max International Abacus பயிற்சியின் இந்தியாவின் முன்னோடி.
Write this one. Okay. So now we have
Start in
5 cards here. So now I request Vignesh to come. So you're going to see how fast he's going to tell the answers. This was selected at random. Ready?
And 32, 28, 27, 78, 77, 67, 59,
All 5 sums are correct. Yeah. So I had the answers for myself to see whether they are right. Okay? All the sums were right. 74, 28, 27, 67, 59. All correct. Thank you very much. Keep it up, Vignesh. Okay, next we're going to attempt Vijay to come on stage. Come here. He'll be doing the sum for us. Can we all give a big clap for him, please? 10 digit, 10 rows. I'll tell you how it goes. He will not be adding it and writing the answer one after another. He'll be doing the complete addition and he'll write the answer at one shot. Okay? So he's going to place all the numbers in his mind and he's going to give the answer at one shot. So we're going to time him. We'll see how long he takes. Okay, before we go on, we have still some fillers to do. Ma'am, can you write the numbers, please? We can tell the numbers to Anita, she'll write. So, see, we have some blank columns left because we don't want to give an impression that we have given the sum already and we are making him do on stage again. Even a single number will change the answer. So we have close to about 5 empty spaces. There is no techniques involved in getting the answer, but for straight calculation using the UCMAS way. Ready, Vijay? On your mark, get set, start. "41 seconds. 10 digit, 10 rows, 41 seconds. Excellent. The same sum was done by the same person in Kuwait, and you believe it or not, everybody clapped the same way as you did. Thank you very much. Keep it up, Vijay. Yes. So now we are moving on to a slightly more difficult sum. 12 digit, 10 rows. Easier customer. Hello, audience. Easier customer. Easier. Romba easier. Okay. So ma'am, we have, நீங்க numbers சொல்லுங்க ma'am. We have fillers. So this is Abja. So ready, Abja? Chart புடிங்களே. கீழே. Okay. Ready ma? Write the answer big ma. Abja. Abja பயப்படாம ஆன்சர் பெருசா எழுதணும். சரியா? ஒரே இத சேர்த்து எழுதணும். Ready? Can you all maintain silence please? Okay, we'll start with the clap. Yes. I don't want to say no. Okay, silence please. Thank you. Children in the backstage, please keep quiet. Teachers, please tell them to keep quiet. Ready? Start. Excellent, Abja. 1 minute, 10 seconds. 12 digit, 10 rows. Keep it up, Abja. Thank you. So next, we are moving on to rapid fire. So we are going to do rapid fire double digit 5 rows. Okay? Double digit 5 rows. You have to give me the page number and the section number. Can I have the page number, ma'am? Page number 9. One not 9. Okay. Ma'am, page number 9, 109 section. We're going to do A, B, C and D. Right? Can I have another mic? Can I have another mic, please? Work Okay, ma'am. We have a request.
Yes.
As soon as you tell the answer, if the answer is right, you say it's right.
Okay.
சரிங்களா?
Yes. So they will tell.
They'll tell the answer.
A separately, B separately.
Yeah, A separately, B separately. It's rapid fire, double digit 5 rows.
Okay.
Okay? Ready, children? Don't shout. Tell the answer fast. Start. 76, 80, 59, 31, 74. That is? 320 is correct?
Exactly correct.
Okay, next. 13, 65, 98, 20, 42. That is? 238 is correct?
Yes,
Is
correct.
correct. Next. 75, 81, 38, 90, 26. That is? 310 is correct? Is correct. Next. 64, 72, 19, 50, 43. That is? 248
X.
is correct.
Appa. Super.
Super. Okay, next we are moving on to triple digit 5 rows. Page number
23.
okay.
Oh, that means only addition or
Rapid fire only addition.
only addition. Then we have
Page number 23, section. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க மேடம். Page number 23. Okay. Page number 23, section 31.
Oh yes.
Okay? Ready? Give the answer clearly. Right? Start. 316, 789, 492, 805, 163. That is?
2565.
2565.
Correct.
Yes. Next, 570, 285, 431, 974, 627. That is?
2887.
2887. Yes. Next, 450, 783, 128, 902, 315. That is? 2578 is correct. Next, 640, 276, 891, 540, 369. That is?
Correct.
2716 is correct. Thank you very much.